Welcome to Art Snap. Come draw with me. Today we are going to draw Cappuccino Assassino. Hoo-yah! Get your pens ready. Let's start with drawing a horizontal line. And make a pointy edge for the lid. Another horizontal line and end it with another pointy. Draw the lid again. And a little rounded extension for the opening of the lid. We'll continue by drawing straight lines coming together in the center. Now connect to the edges for the bottom of the cup. Draw another horizontal line for Assassino's headband. And make sure you leave enough space in between these two lines to draw a nice rectangle. At the center, we're going to draw a line and then a round spiraling circle and this pointy edge. Draw curved lines and join them together. Let's start with the eyebrows, angry eyebrows. Not too difficult to draw, just two lines in the center and rounded edges. To show some anger, we add these curved lines. And now we draw a circle. And inside we draw a small semicircle. Same thing on this side too. A circle and a semicircle. Let's continue with another horizontal line and another one. For the bottom of the cup, we'll draw another extension there. And now let's go for the hands. Just two curved lines to show the arms, and now we draw the thumb. The fingers, and a rectangle down there for the sword handle. We'll continue it at the top. Now a semicircle here. Let's go for the sword, a straight line but pointing on the top and coming down again. And our sword is ready. The same thing on this side too. Let's draw the thumb here and the fingers. Draw a straight line, a horizontal line, and then another straight line for the handle of the sword. And now draw a semicircle here. And let's go for the sword. Yes, that's it. Let's complete this drawing by touching all the edges and leaving no gaps. Next we have the legs. Very simple. Two curved lines. A semicircle there. This is for the front of the shoes. And just draw two lines like that for the sole. And now we can draw the laces. I hope you see how simple this is. If you think this is going too fast, you can pause and play. The front of the shoe, the back of the shoe, and just join the lines. Let's do the laces now. That's it. Time to color with this brown shade. You can use other shades as well. I choose this because this is what I like to see in a nice brewed coffee, this brown color. We continue with the headband. Try and follow with horizontal lines and vertical lines for all straight patches, so your drawing looks very neat. And for the curved lines, we try and do it alongside the borders. We have another patch here. I like to draw the edges first and then color in the center, so my color does not get out. I like it this way, but you can choose to do it as you like. You just remember to enjoy. Time for the hands. Fingers. And one hand is done, now the second one. You can also choose to do it in another color. Maybe you can try gray color. You can try green color. As you like. Just remember to enjoy. I'm having fun doing this. I hope you are too. One shoe is ready. Let's go for the other side. Here again, I draw a nice horizontal line, so my drawing looks very neat. And so does my coloring. The eyebrows are nice and dark black. We draw a center here, circle. Then we color the rest of the eyeball. The circle first and then the eyeball. So this gives a nice dimension. I've used a dark brown for the handle here. You can choose to do it with black also if you like. Just to give it a wooden look, I have done dark brown. The same on the other sword as well. That we are done. Now it's time for the sharp edges. This is also his band in the center. It's made of steel, so I choose grey color. All metal here, I've used grey color. The finishing touches, I'm just going to add these 4 dots. Just some extra detailing if you like. I've also drawn some lines, some extra lines, to give it a better finish. With that we are done. I hope you enjoyed this.
Hoo-yah! Hoo-yah!